morning. Let's take a walk at Berg Park at the Riverwalk in Farmington, New Mexico. This is a fantastic walk. This is about a 3-mile loop that I'm doing today, and we've got Canadian geese with their little goslings. Look at these guys this time of year. There's a bunch of them, all different stages of their life. We've got some babies, we've got some teenagers. It's pretty cool to see all the wildlife here at the river. This is the Animas River that is running to the side here. And there is a Veterans Memorial Park here, and it's pretty cool. They cover all branches of the military and all wars throughout history. And there's this granite globe right there. It's a little water feature. And actually, when the water is on, you can actually walk up to it. And you can push it. As heavy as that thing is, you can spin it if you want. Usually there's kids here, and they love spinning that thing. So anyway, yeah, it's a really nice memorial. There is a parking lot nearby on the other side if you just want to come to the memorial. Like I said, it covers and goes through all the wars. Okay, we got park benches. If you want to just sit near the river. We've got some rapid areas. Beautiful river, this Animas River. Farmington has 3 rivers, San Juan, Animas, and La Plata. There's some more goslings. And there's a couple of bridges that you cross. Steel bridges, they're very nice. There's some wood carvings. And if you're out here early enough in the morning, you will get to see some deer. There's lots of wildlife here. There's deer and turkeys and geese and duck. I've seen a raccoon, a blue heron. You'll see the deer early in the morning and sometimes later in the evening. Pretty cool. Never get tired of seeing them or taking pictures of them. There's a little spike right there. Little buck. More goslings. Some ducks at the nature center, and at the nature center there is this pond over here, right there. Usually full of ducks and geese. This morning, I don't know where they're at. I'm in the water. So just a little bridge over the. There's a little canal, a little ditch water. This goes to some residents in the town. Not my house, but some houses get it. This area right up here, a lot of events are held there. And this part here is across the river from the memorial park. We've got all the flags flying. Like I said, it's a nice park there. And you get a walk through the trees. They even have pet waste stations. You can pick up bags for free and just clean up after your pets. Trash cans all over the park too. All right, here's the last bridge. We're going to go back over it. Beautiful river. Fortunate to be able to go and walk here as often as I can. Elizabeth brought me here a couple of years ago. I just used to walk in the neighborhood. And this is much, much better. As you can see, it's beautiful. And here we are heading back to the parking lot. Now, there are several parking lots here. You can take long walks, shorter walks. You can just go from one bridge to the other bridge, or you can just, like I said, park and walk down to the river and sit there and just enjoy the river. All right, well, thanks for taking a quick little walk. That's about a 3-mile loop that I just did. I usually do. And, yeah, if you're in Farmington, come to Berg Park and take a walk.